Namaskar, हमेशा खुश रहिए. I am Dr. Anchit from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today we are going to learn about drugs of misuse. What are the drugs of misuse? Sometimes people get addicted to certain substances which they overuse them, and that is called drugs of misuse. Misuse of prescription drugs means taking of a medication in a manner or dose other than prescribed. Taking someone else's prescription, even if it is legitimate medical complaint such as pain, or taking a medication to feel euphoria, that is to get high. The term non-medical use of prescription drug also refers to these categories of misuse. There are three categories of medication most commonly misused are opioids, that are the painkillers, central nervous system depressants, that are the antidepressants. This category includes tranquilizers, sedatives, and hypnotics used to treat anxiety and sleep disorders. And the third is stimulants, the most often prescribed or treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, that is ADHD. Prescription drug misuse can have serious medical consequences. Increase in the prescription drug misuse over the last number of years are reflected in increased emergency room visits, overdose deaths associated with prescription drugs, and treatment admissions for prescription drug use disorders, the most severe form of which is in addiction. Overdose deaths include prescription opioids were 5 times higher in this year as compared to 10 years ago. This means that there is a huge uh, use of non-prescription drugs in this recent times. So opioids are usually used, which are over-the-counter painkillers available very easily at any medical counter. Antidepressants, also called central nervous system depressants, such as sedatives and hypnotics, are also available. Although the medical fraternity has now said that only these kind of drugs will be available after the prescriptions, but many a times these are also available directly over the counter. These helps in making a person feel euphoric, that is high. After taking these kind of drugs, the person keeps on sitting idle all day long, feels lightheaded, and that is why it becomes an addiction because it makes you feel light and better. There are stimulants also, which are mostly used as a party drug, which makes you feel sometimes hallucinate, makes you feel high, energetic. So these are mostly used in parties, which are also a form of addiction, which finally yields in deterioration of health. This has a very negative influence on the health, which affects a person for over a long number of years and may have uh, permanent disabilities or damages to the brain also. So this should be stopped and not encouraged. So this was a topic on over-the-counter drugs. I hope you have understood it, and in case of any doubt, feel free to comment, which will solve in the problem-solving class. Thank you.